Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to a new video on Celestia. Was requested quite a lot by a lot of you, so here it is. I mean, I have been looking at it, but it's just been difficult to make videos about a lot of cryptos because, well, yeah, I mean, there's a lot to make videos about. All right, there's just a ton of cryptos rallying right now, a ton of bullish cryptos. So Celestia, I mean, it hasn't really moved in the last couple of days. I mean, before that, I took a little trade on it. But not too much. I mean, right now, if you look at Celestia and if you look at the open interest right here, you can see it's just been stable over the last week. It's up and down, but overall it's stable. And then right now it's the weekend, so there's just not much to expect. Now overall, I am still bullish on Celestia. All right, let that be clear. I am bullish on Celestia. I still think $12.5 is happening. But right now, I mean, there's quite a lot of bearish pressure in the markets, like the Bitcoin dominance is going up. So it's just it's just a little bit, well, it's a bit unstable, all right? Because right now, to dive right into the analysis, Celestia found support at this major support level at $9. $9 is the strongest support level it has right now. 302 fib, 50 EMA, trend line just below that. All right, let's say $9 and then 8.8. All right, strong support level. And what I would expect technically is for that level to hold. All right, so that Celestia would hold that level, get back up to $10, consolidate a bit, and then eventually break above the main resistance level at 10.5 and then rally up to 12.5. Purely technically, that looks most likely. The only reason why I am hesitant on that is the fact that it's the weekend. It's Sunday. Capital has flown out of the markets in the last two days. It will get back into the markets, and Bitcoin isn't looking great. I mean, I would say it's most likely that Bitcoin will actually drop down a bit. And Celestia is not the most correlated with Bitcoin compared to other cryptos, but it is correlated. All right, so right now, I think it's too risky. I think if TIA is able to hold this level around $9 for the next couple of days, then I still think it's most likely it will just break out above 10.5 and rally up to 12.5 a little bit later. All right, and I'm also leaning towards saying this is actually still most likely at this moment, but I'm not going to trade it. All right, I'll be waiting because I think that's very important for you to know as well. I think it's quite likely that with this continued bearish pressure coming from the markets, that Celestia will break down below $9. And if it breaks down below $9, it will drop down to 8.5 and 8.3. Find support there, take a break retest from $9, and then potentially drop down all the way to 7.5 and $8. All right. Even from this level, I would still expect a consolidation and then eventually for it to rally up to 12.5. But it's going to be significantly harder for Celestia to do that. And the chances of that happening become significantly smaller. So for now, I'm just monitoring the situation. If I would have to give you my thoughts, I would say it's most likely that Celestia will either hold 8.8 or $9, or it breaks down below 8.3 and then it's a bit of a fake out and then it retakes that level instantly after. I still think that's most likely, but that's mainly due to my thoughts on Celestia fundamentally and technically long term. But if I would have to give you my thoughts based on what I expect from the markets, I would say Celestia will fall down. It will drop down to 8.3, take a break retest, and fall down to 7.5. So it's difficult to handle to analyze Celestia right now, but those are all of my thoughts. If this happens, I was wrong because I do expect Celestia to stay bullish. All right. So those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Have a great Sunday. And don't forget to check out my premium and signal group down in the description. That's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.